Hello everybody. Today I have come with a new lesson known as the motion and time. This lesson is very important lesson. Read this lesson thoroughly and you will get to know about important things present in this lesson. Okay. Now we are going to some important pictures such as sundial, this time machine device earlier times, simple pendulum, these watches and clocks, and a most important of this is graphs. See the graphs. A very important question in this graph. Read this part very thoroughly. Very important. See graph. Okay, graph. Okay, time graph. Distance time graph. Okay, distance time graph. Now we are going to have the question. Sorry, definitions first. As you know, I explain definition in Hindi. Time period. First definition is time period. The time taken by pendulum to complete an oscillation. Time period means uh, एक टाइम मतलब एक ऑसिलेशन कंप्लीट करने को जितना टाइम लगता है उसको टाइम पीरियड कहते हैं. स्पीड द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय मूविंग बॉडी इन टाइम. न्यू टाइम के अंदर जितना डिस्टेंस कवर करते हैं एक बॉडी उसको स्पीड बोलते हैं. नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन मोशन इन विच बॉडी मूविंग स्ट्रेट लाइन कवर्स इक्वल डिस्टेंस इन अनइक्वल इंटरवल्स ऑफ टाइम और वाइस वर्सा. मतलब मोशन मतलब कोई भी बॉडी का मोशन जो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में इक्वल डिस्टेंस कवर करता है, मतलब सेम डिस्टेंस कवर करता है पर अनइक्वल अनइक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में, उसको नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन बोलते हैं. इसका उल्टा भी हो सकता है, मतलब unequal distance in equal interval of time is also known as non-uniform motion. Okay, uniform motion motion of a body moving in straight line covering equal distance in equal interval of time. कोई भी बॉडी का मोशन जो हम एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में जाती है और इक्वल डिस्टेंस मुझे इक्वल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करते हैं और इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में. And the time gap is same in uniform motion in respect to the distance. Okay, now we are going to the answer in one word. Okay, fill in the blanks. The standard unit of time is second. SI unit of time is second. Okay, SI unit of time is second, and type of distance is meter. Okay, distance SI unit of distance is meter. Okay, the distance between two cities is measured in kilometer. Okay, the distance between two cities is measured in kilometer. Okay, a car moving in constant speed is said to be in uniform motion. I said uniform motion means same speed, means uh, in equal interval of time with respect to equal distance. Okay, the distance between the car moving in constant speed is not said to be uniform motion. Okay, for a body to be in uniform motion, distance time graph is straight line. Okay, distance time graph is always straight line. When straight line means diagonal straight line. Means what is diagonal straight line? The time gap between two events is known as time interval. Time gap between two events is known as time interval. Okay, now match the column. Here many things are there. Odometer is odometer is give the distance traveled by moving vehicle. Odometer means in the car speedometer there is one number giving line that is known as odometer. It gives how much distance the car has traveled. Okay, time period means the time taken by pendulum to complete one oscillation. Time taken by pendulum to complete one oscillation. This is time period. Sand clock means a device used by Romans to measure time. Device used by Romans to measure time. Okay, 1 second means 1 second is 10 to the power 6 nanosecond, 10 to the power say, 9 nanosecond. Mm. And a unit of time. Okay, and the unit of time. There will be some mistake in this match. The following, actually, it will not be 10 to the power 6 nanosecond. As you know, it will be somewhat 10 to the power 6 microsecond. They has given a mistake of 10 to the power 6 nanosecond. It is microsecond, so you must correct it. Our distance time graph is a representation of speed of different moving bodies. Representation of speed in different moving bodies. It is different, but it is referred by a distance time graph or line graph. Okay. Multiple choice question MCQs. Choose the correct answer. Okay. One solar day equal to 24 hours. 24 hours means 1440 minutes and 8640 seconds. Okay. So answer will be all of this. A balance wheel is used in wall clock. A balance wheel is used in sorry, not in wall clocks, stopwatch. Balance wheel is used in stopwatch. So that means balance wheel is used in most watches like that. The what that moves na the our hand meet and moves, that is the balance wheel. Okay. Speed is calculated distance divided by time. Speed is calculated distance divided by time. Okay. A car moving at speed of 30 kilometer and a truck moving at speed of 40 kilometer. Distance time graph will show two straight lines different angles. Okay, two straight lines in different angles. Okay, because the car is moving at 30 km per hour, a truck is moving at 40 km per hour. Okay, standard unit of speed is meter per second. Okay, standard unit of speed is meter per second. Meter per second. You must understand it. Now we are going to the brief answer. See here is brief answer. What is meant by slow and fast motion? What is meant by slow and fast motion? If body covers less distance in a given interval of time, then its motion is said to be slow. If the body covers greater distance in a given time, its motion is said to be fast. And slow and fast motion means less distance in more time, and fast motion means more distance in less time. Okay, a bus take 2 hours to complete to cover distance of 80 kilometer. It is speed in kilometer per second, meter per second. Okay, distance equal to 80 kilometer, time equal to 2 hours. Okay. Okay, speed equal to distance divided by time. As you have to say kilometer per hour, so you have to make the distance kilometer, and while the you have to make the time hour. Okay. So now divide it. 80 divided by 2 means 40 kilometer per hour, and to make meter per second you have to convert the 80 kilometer into meter. Okay. 80 kilometer into meter, and not 80, sorry, not 80. To convert this, you have to do that. What do you do? Convert the speed 40 kilometer per hour to meter. Okay, 40 kilometer per hour to meter means 40,000 kilometer nearby. Okay, then convert the mm, time into second. Okay, meter per second, convert time into second. 120 minute means 3600, 330, not 120. 2 hours means 3600. No, sorry, 1 hour means what I written, I forget it. 3600 seconds. Sorry, yeah. I understood. What is that? Convert the 40 kilometer into 40,000 meter, and 1 hour means 3,600 seconds. Or in other way, what you can do is, mm, I am saying this distance is there. Convert into, oh, pen is not working. 80,000, 80 into 80,000 is done. Okay, and now convert this into 2 hours means how much seconds? 1 hour means 3600 seconds, 36 7 to 0 seconds into 0 second. Now cut these two zeros. Okay, now cut this with 4, I think. 4 to say 200, and 4 1 is 4, 7 18, 18. Okay, now divide this with 2 again. This will be 9, and this will be 100. Oh, sorry, and 100 by 9, or 11.11 meter per second approximate. Okay, as I said, there are two ways to convert to kilometer by hour to meter per second, or kilometer per hour to meter per second. First, that make distance into meter and time into second. Divide it, or otherwise make the let's calculate the speed, and then uh, take the hour, convert the hour into second. Okay, calculate the speed and convert the speed into meter, and hour into second. This is the way, two ways. Okay, define oscillation and time period of pendulum. What is means? One oscillation means when, as I say, one oscillation means, see, you would understand like this. This is the pendulum. uh, my drawing is not so good. The pendulum. Okay, a position to b position. Okay, means the oscillation will happen when it will go this. Okay, then go this, again come to this. So this is the way of oscillation. Otherwise, from most farthest point A to B, these are two ways of oscillation. Okay, so one oscillation pendulum is completed when the bob moves from one extreme position to other extreme position B and come back to A. As I said earlier, one extreme position to other extreme position and then back to the first extreme position. It is known as the one oscillation. Okay, time taken to complete one oscillation is known as time period. Okay, time taken to complete one oscillation is known as time period. Okay, last question. Last no, two more questions are there. Figure given alongside presents the distance time graph of motion of three moving bodies A, B, C. Which of them is the fastest moving body and which of them is slowest? Okay, A is the fastest moving body because it covered way more distance in less time. The time is measured like this: 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. The distance is more measured like this: 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Okay, so here it covered more distance in less time. Here it covered minimum distance in less time. It's a very less distance, very much time. So A is the fastest moving body, while C is the slowest moving body. What are the limitations of sundial? Limitation of sundial is sundial indicate the time accurate, not so accurately, but it cannot be used at cloudy day. In with cloud, we cannot use it in cloudy day or even night also, or it cannot be carried everywhere because sundial is made according to latitude of a place. Okay, latitude of a place, so you cannot carry it everywhere. It is only a fixed area and you can set time in a fixed position only. So this is for today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, and yeah, don't forget to comment also. Bye bye. See you soon.